Alright guys, we're running troubleshooting tree for the 4364 code. I'm going to take all this off. This and this has to come off. So I'm going to get all that off and be right back. Alright guys, I got the covers off on the top step. Now we're going to take this, going to take that off of there. Let's see if I can get some light on it. Take this injector off. And we're going to run a test on that, make sure it's injecting. I already checked the depth fluid, that's all good. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, we got to run this test 3 times. This is the second one, just to be consistent, that the doser is consistent. So this is test number 2. The first one was right on the money, 125 milliliters. And we'll see what these ones are. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the doser all bolted back up. And you need to be using a new gasket. There's the part number for the gasket. They want you to use new bolts too, but I don't have any new bolts. I just reused the old ones. I mean, I've been reusing the old bolts forever, so hardly ever change them. But yeah, but that's the part number for the gasket is right there. So highly recommend you change that out. Alright guys, we're on to the next step. That's probably going to be running a regen, so we'll be right back.